DocsAutomator allows you to automate all your mission critical documents based on your Microsoft Word templates. Reports, contracts, proposals, invoices, whatever docs you have and rely on in your business, you can produce them error free and save a lot of time by automating them with DocsAutomator with lots and lots of features baked in that make your life easier. In this video, I want to show you how that works. So let's get into it. Yeah, let's have a quick look at the result. I have a list of proposals here in Airtable, one of DocsAutomator's integrations. And I've created the proposal already. This is my software implementation proposal template. And as you can see here, all the data has been added to this. All of this is dynamic, as well as a dynamic line items table here, where the total is also shown, etc., etc. So let's look into how we can set this up. I'm here in my DocsAutomator account, and this is my list of automations that I have already. I'm just going to add one to this now, and I'll call this sales proposals 2026. I'm selecting Word for templates, and then I'm uploading an existing file, an existing Word template, the one that you've seen produced before. Difference is now here. You see the template now here on the right side. We have placeholders in this. So this follows a placeholder syntax with double curly brackets, which you find documented in our knowledge base in order to adapt your existing templates. If you don't have a template yet, you can go to our template gallery. You can also generate a template with AI. So there are a couple of options to get to your perfect template in order to automate your documents. So you see the template here on the right side. You can download the template here as well, and you can also then replace the current template with the other button if you've made local changes to it. On the left side, we now select our data source. As you've seen before, we used Airtable, but DocsAutomator automates with lots of platforms, as well as featuring an API, so you can integrate with basically any system. But let's use Airtable for our use cases. This opens up the data mapping part for Airtable. This is called client proposals, and then on client proposals we have a table called proposals, and now we can map our data with AI. I just click on one-click mapping, basically to map all the fields that we have in our Airtable base automatically. Here you find the line items table. Line items is the dynamic list that we've seen before of the individual items that we have on our proposal. This field is called line items in Airtable, and I'm just going to map the fields here as well with AI. They pretty well to our placeholder names, so that works really well. So now everything being mapped, I can generate previews. Here I select the records from my Airtable table, and then I generate previews, and basically I can do this as long as needed till I'm happy with the result. So the workflow would be if you need to make changes to your template, you do that locally, you upload a new template, and then you generate previews again to see if you're happy. Once you're happy, we set up some actions because we want to store the finished PDF in Airtable. So that is one action here. We want to also save the Word document in Airtable. Here we can pick the field proposal Word file. And once we've done that, we actually start generating. We can go on, I want to generate my documents automatically, where we get this script, which we can add in Airtable automations. But we can also just basically automate manually from here. Let's set this up automated quickly in Airtable automations. I'm just going to do this here on the screen, replace this. And now this was already connected, or this button was already connected to that automation. So now we can create a proposal here for a different record, this security audit. So I'm just going to click on that button, and we see in a bit that the PDF appears and the Word file appears down here. In DocsAutomator, we see this here as well. There we go. There's the preview. How do we exit preview mode? We have been in test mode now, which basically doesn't consume any of your quota. Once you go live, for which you will also need a subscription, you can then do this again, and you will see that now the watermarks disappear on the generated document, and you have a nicely looking PDF that you can use and send to clients and hopefully do great business with. Yeah, and that's it. That's a brief overview of how the Microsoft Word integration works in DocsAutomator. There's lots more to explore. We have an extensive e-signing suite. DocsAutomator integrates with lots more platforms. You can add dynamic images to documents. You can make your documents really customized by adding sections to it and conditionally showing or hiding them, etc., etc. All of this on our YouTube channel, in our knowledge base, or if you're stuck somewhere or need help, please reach out anytime and a human will get back to you. For now, I wish you happy automating and speak to you very soon. Thank you. Bye.